Peace FM 104.3. Who to me take?
Sentence near the man no. Minji wa dwinkyere wo niamanfo kan say judge dear anuashi na yakwa akoma no 90 days. Ebi say nko man fine ni kaka ho. Say obi ya boni bi say na say bia wodi for. Say ni wodi for yi. Sentence no senate in terms of fine any bia mfie dodo a say do tum e do tum. Not to say minim so betimi aboy ha.
Okay, so boni aye ka ho asami. Ye wo option aye fine. And ye wo option aye imprisonment. And ye wo a third option aye both. Says yetimi eboka. Ana say yetimi do tum. Ana say ni mienu nyina. Ebetimi aboka na do atum. In fact, sa two offenses na ka ho no e hokra na hia mekase
bond of good behavior no nka ho yetimi ma
o share act here, for example yen share the under the domestic violence act no at the ba ko na aka ne be so eno no onka bibia sa o say you be fine your penalty unit do bia nse se tra na fei ye be ma o emfie nso so me share act no say ensesa na the minimum say 2 years.
Okay. And
2 years na say ensesa etra. It means say judge no betimi ama na awotwe. Obetimi ama na awotwe mienu. Obetimi ama na awotwe miensa na say bosumi na say yenim range no so ka say 2 years 2 years no. Good. In fact, under sa provision na ye charge no. Yes also cry wo 2 other make us sanctions but also cry a compensation to the victim. Court no betimi aboka ama otua sa aka no dia ma victim no
akoda no.
Yes, me sure say in this particular case because a mother and child inti and a court no exercise sa discretion also. The fourth one will be say court utimi ye order say sa nipa no kra me especially someone team muma men no agi say bia ono ankasa e ma okwan say bra na nchen under the Domestic Violence Act. Enti sanya say bia ne ba no mpo dia ke bia saa ne ma nyina so e be ka ho nti eno ne yemfa nto nchen ansa. So kwesi point is that say yomo amo ka say e bia punishment no ye excessive no. E was e bi say omo whether they understand say judge no dia owo and could betimi aye anything different from law no de na say statute na be provide there untimi nye otherwise. For example say ka say fa ne tum nko a untimi nka say me de me mfa ne ntum me ye no de me bo so eye me na ye ma ranger untimi nka say matra ana say mabafom me mfa me de bi nye example ko ye case bi na ye wie ye di asem ni wie na ye koye mitigation bi sre judge no kotu bible nyina me quotation me quote ye Jeremiah 10:24 wo twi bible ha bekenkan. In fact Moses asked me kware ye ntibi okoto ase da say so fu bi ma na kenkan ha say na me be kono na esisi me so say anhwe ya na me clients no bi betuma ba say no betum because me nim judge na adwen 10:24 who can't treat partner. Yeah, okay, can you listen?
Jeremiah chapter 10, verse 24. Sorry. Jeremiah chapter 10, verse 24. Also, correct me, Lord, but only with justice. In your anger, lest you reduce me to nothing.
Nti me catch say oh kaka sentence or best sentence no convicting no. So in say you right na mum or ya onto no boss kakra man. Ewie na judge no say the mitigation na the pa nti we ma 7 years. I just say you fa hu dwane because that was the minimum. Okay. No, that was the minimum.
Yes.
Yeah, that was the minimum. Nti no ya das. In what other instances so ye koye bisa no so some yes and manya weapon. Today be am required my Jeremiah 10:24. I mean, say me dey ko boss no so menya 7 because ya judge ni so oba no odwene 20 so be 15 I don't so cry bad. You see, because the Americans say sometimes the judges are tired. Now, if they are tired, they are. And another question is that judge, or try ne share and answer one try ne share.
And in this particular instance, I
was say yes. And me pesa me be a co yeshe Domestic Violence Act no. Na yeshe me share I think that under the act you have 500 penalty units maximum no. Penalty unit be a boy 12 cities.
Yeah, 12 cities.
2 more. 2 multiplied by 500.
Yeah.
Emu bia na judge no betumi e de amano. And na say yensa sentence no, so what I do know is say up to 2 years. So if the judge decides so be 3 months.
Minimum.
Oh, 2 years. The maximum.
What's the minimum?
Oh, so amount upper limit now. It just a bit my any period less.
No, guys, a bit but fine.
But I mean, say some of the judgments no do high. You have minimum and maximum.
And I make say where or can say or wait me a sentence so for a period not more than 2 years. Yeah, or mao.
And you're not mao.
Or mao limit. So that we operate within period now the amount one. And the person can say a bro so na say a dawson. In fact, judge no bet me go apart from the statutory provisions. No, there are other policy considerations. Judge obehwe. And then there are also theories regarding punishment. Say punishment here me de massa de be. And I have been telling people say the case of Isaac Ameniampon versus the Republic. Judges baako ehye da to no bo ase kire punishment, the different types of punishment. I'm told say judge we all my sentence okay, the policy consideration was that of deterrence. So I say man what is man be koso pa no say ya dey o say ye de bokoko so that bokoko dia and ye won komani pa kro no ade a otua bia enye ne den so no yeti kwakwana anse story bia say okodi bone ne yachi no na onimsi ade tu jema obehinti wo say me de agent me o agi se nsuo ye ne tu nsuo mu apena pabam onwane koye enti no ye ma sentence ye man ye say ye mfa ne say ye deterrent and say ye punitive justice I was say a kenny pakro no enya de a bia o kan ya pe o na o etua bibia na ono na o korinti na make say there are considerations theories ni na chere punishment bia the gina ho edema and no the discretion of the judge.
Okay.
And that discretion is a judicial discretion entino ontra ontumi nye ne lower than the amano and na ontumi entra ono so ne de no so enti hona me pese me pause na.
Okay. Nya me di betwa to na mama bem sa asem we na pese mji wa dwenche ebi fi se complainant which I understand say Child Rights International, which executive director Ura Bright Appear.
Yes.
Asimi ba utie mu a chese ono wode come police equip domestic violence unit ni ya kaka ho ebi atwa abo no pa ebi nso say look ye wo man mu mra wo oman mu nipa bi say e bo ma ba so ye show mu nkran ni nyai saa ne ma na ye kaka fa no ni atwa abo no yi anamo tu inu say na tema.
Okay, well, see, kan bibi kakransa. For purpose of education, may kind Section 3 of the Domestic Violence Act was a prohibition of domestic violence. A person in a domestic relationship shall not engage in domestic violence. Now, the key word is shall. A person in a domestic relationship who engages in domestic violence commits an offense and is liable on summary conviction to a fine of not more than 500 penalty units or to a term of imprisonment of not more than 2 years or both. Nti judge no betimi buka agu ne so eno kwa eno be ne sentence no ana say wode ne betum emro 2 years anaasɛ ɔde ne bɛtum na wasan abɔ ne ka nso aka ho. In this particular case no, the judge elected say on fine no ɔde ne bɛtum 3 months 90 days sana yate all the offences no 90 and one can say we are no back once or so back once or so or say be run concurrently into ucha offense 1 the no na ucha offense 2 the na ucha offense 3 the no na e wo musa quite say this way no you hear ni so se bibia wo mdada
but ahono mimbusa bibi amanfo no bia wo mo kyerese court judge ni trimu adin say wamano where so mu issue no oya sa no mo kan si o judge trimu adin wama okay men kan say we asema judge trimu adin wama 90 days so nko dem bosumi be miensa na ebi nso kyerɛ mu sɛ saa brofo na mu use no concurrently ne sɛ wutwa because ɛyɛ kwadu miensa ne de ball no enti kwadu bia no ɛyɛ 90 days kwadu bia ne ɔgye ne mfomso sɛ midi fa wɔ ho no ɛnka court no ebia ɛkɔ 90 ntinka ukabo mu a wo number 270 be saying ɛna judge no as okay there be ni nyina enhyase ba
to run concurrently
enti bi say 90 days
and 90 days no so wa twa ni nyina awie
enti bi say eno chese wa ye lenient still I been tiase
kwesi I ubisa me ameka say me gidi say leniency ba mu ehumabro ba mu because it's a 2 months say your father says yes son in terms of months mpa say 2 years na how many months 24 as a 24 na say for 90 days say nka 3 months mpa what 3 months if 24 more say 21 ebi ho na megidi say ohwe obe consider the fact say or first time offender obe consider the fact say or parents or ba emanen komrantem na umenya kwan no hwe ne ba we take into consideration the fact say ono an o kan say onifo see the also agi atomo ni nya fi no ba betwe tenten bia mo chewa ni mesremo eno so ebeka ho bi enti no ebi mpo a senka judge de ntimi emfre no be interview no bia da achi bi okọ pension na bi bibisa no otherwise no ke bia nkodo so be cheche mu say why sa consideration ni nyina na all ye ni nyina so no obehwe the societal interest so na odi aye say judge no owo society mu oye adwuma ewo oman mu enti onhwe onipa no nko a obehwe oman no so de aka ho saa balancing act na to dana say wan hwe ya ye de nya ya na nka ebi kura okoye no mpo no asu ye de ache no no abafie nka bia nka be ye de nanso so no ebi kura mpo a judge no na dwen mu no ohwe nipa no conduct na onye the type of person who ja ne sa obeboa no if the punishment ni bi so why it should have a reformatory effect e was say esesa no o kind that case na America no judge do say that kind say bi ba ni bi ho a ye twe so said ye be ya obekọ na obeba no na ye di kan waje atum say saa de no ye nye otie ye kura unya obi obekura no ba be ya advocate mimi say ye sreme e bi sama America say mi nua ba no say be na ye fan America chen say enye say no waso me say me ben na America chen say bi anka obakura anka won fa no nya the project na bia or promote or can be about violence against children and as a domestic violence campaign be no afat no so na oye if you say what na account wakumu kwakunu say the city e bi ade ya ade we me koye say na to me no na enkoye say umumu ko na o da so ho na wo to empanimfo kan say ayampia no asa wo mfa ho esa je so koba no kra no bibia ansesa na say wo ye nipa na ufa saa de na wanhwe yi a the temptation say obesan ye biem no ya na e wo no ma no susum nam
okay
Peace FM 104.3 Would you mean